Hi everyone, Michael Faust here and welcome to our Wenyard team news for Monday, January 20th. I was talking to one of my team today who I've logged into their back office to share with them what I do each day, and I thought rather than to share it with just them, I'll share it with you as well. This is what I do every day, the first thing in my Wenyard business. So in this person's account I've logged in, and as you can see on the start page is a number of different values. Now this person joined during the 100-day pre-launch, and so what I want to do is show you here what these figures mean. Now you'll see up here it's got WFO escrow amount. What happens is during the 100-day pre-launch, when people bought their broker packs and maybe have built a team, they would have earned WFOs. When the game went live on January 13, every day 1/30th of the total WFOs they built up before the game went live is released into their mandatory account. So I'll repeat that, 1/30th of your escrow account before the game went live on January 13 is now released into your mandatory account each day, and it's every day another 30th is being released. And you can use this funds in your mandatory account to go and buy shares on the NASGO. Now let's go and do that. Now if you want to know how do you actually buy shares, what I recommend to do is click on the trading link here on the left. The trading link basically walks you through the whole process of how to buy shares, how to transfer funds, escrow time, selling shares, and so forth. You won't be able to start selling shares until February 12. And what happens is the shares are kept in escrow for 30 days from the day you purchase them. So what that means is that if you're actually buying shares today, in 30 days time you'll be able to sell those shares. And already a lot of the shares I've purchased have doubled, almost tripled in value. So let's just click over here and open up the NASGO. So we're going to log into the NASGO, which is the Wenyard's Virtual Stock Market. And you'll see here on the start page it has a list of shares that have already been purchased. And you can see in this case this person has already bought some shares, and you can see the current value of those shares. And on the right hand side here you can see that the current price of the shares. Now they originally started at 10 cents. You can see some have already gone up to 28, 27, so almost triple the value. To buy shares, you click on your company, and for example if I wanted to buy shares in Artico, I go here and I look at the sell orders. Now you can see here that the lowest sell order price is 29 cents euro. Okay, so I could basically put in 29 cents as the buy price, put in the number of shares, let's say 1,000. I haven't got enough for that, so I put in 0.29 here, bit difference. So if I buy 1,000 shares, it's going to cost me 290. I haven't got enough for that, so let's say I had 150 shares. It tells me how much I would be paying for that. I've only got funds in my mandatory account, so I've got to tick that, and then I can place the buy order and buy shares. And that's it. Very easily, as long as the price that you're buying at matches one of the prices for the sell orders, you'll get those shares. And of course it tells you the number of shares that are available. In this case we've got 771,000 shares available at 29 cents, so no problems there at all. And as you can see, shares do go up and down. Early this morning Artico was at 30 cents. It's dropped down to 29. But as an overall pattern, if you look at the start menu, you will see the trends of these different companies, and as you can see here, as a general trend they are going up For example, look at Sky Mobile here. It's actually dramatically increased in just the last 24 hours. So folks, so that's the first thing I do every day, is log in and use the funds in my mandatory account to go and buy shares, because the reality is that every day so far my shares have been going up, and the point is that the earlier I buy them, the cheaper the rate I'm typically buying them at, which means more potential income I can sell those shares for.